What is hot work? Working with ignition sources near flammable materials is called as a hot work. Welding, soldering, and cutting are the examples of hot work. Fires are often the result of the quick 5-minute job in areas not intended for welding or cutting. Getting a hot work permit before performing hot work is just one of steps involved in a hot work management program that helps to reduce the risk of starting a fire by hot work in areas where there are flammable or combustible materials. Dear friends and fellows, in today's training session, we'll talk about hot work management. Mostly, we are just discussing hot work permit. But today, I'll highlight the other prerequisites those are required for starting a hot work, which includes policies, procedures, trainings, and the communication method. And in the last part of the training, I'll also discuss about some good practices that are required prior to start a hot work. So without wasting time, let's get started. Dear friends and fellows, hot work management programs are put in place to control or eliminate hot work hazards and their associated risks. Programs include the development of policies, procedures, and the assignment of responsibilities and accountabilities for all aspects of hot work. As I told you in the intro, a hot work management program includes number one, policies, where hot work is permitted, when hot work is permitted, and who authorizes, performs, and monitors hot work activities. These are very important questions. And prior to start hot work, the workers and the staff members, they should consider reasonable answer for all these questions. Who is responsible, who is accountable for hot work activities? Number two, procedures. Procedures means safe system of work to conduct and carry out hot work. You have to understand the importance of few important points. Number one, what must be assessed before permitting performing hot work in an area, on a process, or on a piece of equipment. Number two, what to do to prepare an area for hot work. Number three, what to do if hot work cannot be avoided in a particularly hazardous area. Number four, what hot work tools are required to carry out hot work activity safely. Number five, how to obtain a hot work permit when they are required and who can administer them. Third important point in the hot work management program is training. Employees, supervisors, maintenance individuals, fire wardens, and fire watch individuals all must be trained, and the concerned staff members of the contractor, they must have specific training, they must know their roles and responsibilities, and they must be certified and experienced if they are involved in the hot work process or hot work activities. Fourth element of hot work management is communications. You have to make sure that hot work procedures are posted near the hot work activities. Hot work policies are also posted where usually the hard work is being carried out. And number three, you have to post signs in the areas where hot work is not permitted. It is strictly prohibited. And that must be known by all the staff and the workforce as well. Dear friends and fellows, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you're first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Let us discuss now what are the prerequisites prior to start hot work. We'll discuss some journal good practices. Remember, you have to make sure you are following your hot work procedure, safe system of work. And in addition to that, firstly, you have to make sure that all equipment that is required to carry out hot work activities is in good operating order and condition before starting work. Number two, make sure that all appropriate personal protective devices or equipment is available at the site and each worker has been trained on how to use, clean, and store them properly. Number three, inspect the work area thoroughly before starting hot work. Look for combustible materials in structures, partitions, walls, and ceilings, etc. Number four, move all flammable and combustible materials away from the work area where you are going to start hot work. Number five, if combustibles cannot be moved, cover them with fire resistant blankets or shields. Protect gas lines and equipment from falling sparks, hot materials, and objects. Number six, sweep clean any combustible materials on floors around the work zone. Combustible floors must be kept wet with water or covered with fire resistant blankets or damp sand. Number seven, use water only if electrical circuits have been de-energized to prevent electrical shock in the case if there is a fire. Number eight, remove any spilled grease, oil, or other combustible liquid if it is in the close proximity of hot work activity. Number nine, vacuum away combustible debris from inside ventilation or other service duct openings to prevent ignition. Seal any cracks in ducts. Prevent sparks from entering into the ductwork. Cover duct openings with a fire resistant barrier and inspect the ducts after work has concluded or completed. Number 10, make sure that appropriate fire extinguishers are available and easily accessible. If you are interested to learn about fire extinguishers or how to fight the fire, then you have to click on the link that is appearing on your screen and you can grab in-depth knowledge about firefighting and firefighting equipments. Number 11, make sure that the first aid boxes are available and easily accessible. Number 12, block off cracks between floorboards, along baseboards and walls, and under door openings with the fire resistant material. Close doors and windows. Number 13, cover wall or ceiling surfaces with the fire resistant and heat insulating material to prevent ignition and accumulation of heat. Number 14, secure, isolate, and vent pressurized vessels, piping, and equipment as needed before beginning hot work. Number 15, inspect the area following work to ensure that wall surfaces, studs, wires, or dirt have not heated up. Number 16, post a trained fire watcher within the work area, including lower levels if sparks or slag may fall during welding, including during breaks, and for at least 60 minutes after work has stopped or completed. Depending on the work done, the area may need to be monitored for longer, up to 3 or more hours after the end of the hot work until fire hazards no longer exist. Number 17, eliminate explosive atmosphere, for example, vapors or combustible dust. or don't allow hot work. Shut down any process that produces combustible atmospheres and continuously monitor the area for accumulation of combustible gases before, during, and after hot work. Number 18, if possible, schedule hot work during shutdown periods. And number 19, comply with required legislation and standards applicable to your workplace and your work activities. Dear friends and fellows, this was the part one of hot work management. That was about the prerequisites for starting a hot work, where we were discussing policies, procedures, communication method, trainings, and some journal good practices. In the upcoming video, part two of hot work management, you will be able to learn what is welding, how many types of welding, and how to carry out welding safely in a workplace. And that's all for now. Training session part one of hot work management is over. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.